Weather Authority meteorologist Stacey May.
Our hot and very humid Sunday turned into a wet and stormy Sunday evening for about the northern half of the tri-state. Thankfully, though, only one severe thunderstorm warning a few hours ago up in Wayne County, Illinois. And then everything has kind of stayed below severe limits. Now, as we go through the rest of tonight up until about daybreak tomorrow morning, the Storm Prediction Center is keeping the tri-state in that level 1 marginal to level 2 slight risk for severe weather. You can see that on that first kind of block there on Sunday. That's going to be for the overnight hours. So especially along and south of Interstate 64, still can't rule out a few strong to severe storms with the next wave that comes through after about 2 to 3 a.m. up until around daybreak tomorrow morning. And then after daybreak tomorrow morning and through our Monday, that kind of drops to just this level 1 marginal risk and for about the eastern half of the tri-state. So we should be seeing somewhat of a weakening trend to those showers and storms as we go through tomorrow morning. And if we would see anything try to redevelop and pop up in the afternoon, can't rule out an isolated strong to severe storm. Once we get through tomorrow, though, look, severe weather threat off the board for Tuesday, and really the rest of the week and even into the weekend at this point looks quiet and dry. But right now we're still dealing with this wave of showers and storms now off to the east of the Evansville area, kind of really from the far east side of Evansville and then points to the east. Again, not severe. Heavy rain, quite a bit of cloud to ground lightning has really been the main concern with this cluster as it pushes to the east. So right now, some of the heaviest of the rain falling through much of DuBois County, then down into Spencer County, and then back to the southeast parts of Warwick and again, eastern Vanderburgh County, and it goes just south of the Ohio River into parts of Henderson and Davis County. We'll go in a little bit tighter here, and you can see that the heaviest and the strongest part of that line is what has just moved through the city of Evansville into Newburgh now, up to Boonville. Will continue to move to the east into Spencer County, so get ready around Christney, Rockport, and even down toward Owensboro. You guys got hit a little bit earlier. You'll kind of get on the southern tail of this part of this cluster of storms. That again, heavy rain, lightning the main concern. Can't rule out some gusty winds or some small hail with it. But that's how Evansville's east side is looking right now. Certainly wet roads and a wet camera lens there, but the strongest and heaviest of that storm pushing off to the east now. That's our Diamond Valley Federal Credit Union tower cam from Deaconess Gateway Hospital. Also drying out and quieting down in downtown Evansville from our Superior Ag tower cam on top of Fifth Third Bank. Look at the dew point. It is just 1 degree from our temperature of 76. It has shot up to 75 this evening. That takes us almost really into that steamy range. So we're at the very top of our comfort meter. Very muggy, and it will stay that way tonight and into tomorrow. We're in the 70s, but we're not going to really drop much more. Low to mid 70s is where we're going to be for the rest of the night. So this wave will move out, and then we've got more waves developing back here in Missouri. Those will continue to come into the tri-state from the west overnight, especially after about 2 to 3 a.m. Let's look at an updated future tracker here. 3 a.m. leading edge of some storms coming in. Could be a few strong to severe ones with some damaging winds or some hail. Pushes east by 6 a.m. and then we'll watch for a few spotty showers, maybe an isolated storm in the afternoon, early evening. Then that ends. We see some clouds filter back in on Tuesday, but a little sun mixes in too, and that's when it's going to turn cooler and less humid. Overnight, though, some more showers and storms. Can't rule out a few strong to severe ones. They diminish tomorrow, mid-80s, breezy and very humid, but then look, Tuesday, upper 70s, and then beautiful Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Turns hot and humid again next weekend.
All right, thank you, Stacey. Still ahead, Georgia prosecutors say they have evidence that could lead to another indictment against former President Donald Trump.